Good morning. So, got some more snow this night, but luckily it's all melting away for now. Oh yeah, I wanted to go to this gym here, Anytime Fitness, but it's gone. They shut it down. I called and they said they merged together with another location, and it's like somewhere in the center next to a Planet Fitness, so that's why I'm heading today. First I have to get some propane. I paid $7.99 final for exactly 2 gallons. My tank holds 2.6, I believe. So it was a good idea to refill it right now and swap the one before I went to bed last night. I'm done here at Planet Fitness. What did I say? Anytime Fitness. And gym was actually very nice. The showers were warmish at best. We were just passing through Farmington Historic District. A couple of bars, camper van. 45,000. That's usually the size of a town that I like. There in the distance, you see that rock? That is Ship Rock. It's a really awesome rock formation, which is on tribal land, so I think I can't really go there. I saw in this movie with Tom Hanks, this robot, I forgot the name of it. But I think it was a sort of apocalyptic film, and they filmed there. That's why I wanted to see it. Stop here, just came this way. New Mexico ends there. Arizona starts here. Look at this mountain. Wow. We have to go this way though. I drove past here once, coming this way, but it was closed because of the pandemic. Thank you. That's it. Here we are, standing right on it. Colorado, New Mexico, Arizona, and Utah. And we're gonna keep going to Monument Valley so we can get into Utah, back into Arizona. So this is gonna be soon. Colorado, it's gonna be a while till I get back here.
So they have a quick history about each state. Obviously much more complex than just reading it off right here. So in 1868, Mr. Darling surveyed the 37th parallel of latitude to establish territorial boundary of Colorado and New Mexico. Seems like he was a little bit off. Either a joint resolution of Congress that was vetoed by the President Theodore Roosevelt in 1908, nor a lawsuit filed in 1919 succeeded in relocating the established state line as originally monumented by Darling. I'm obviously the tools and everything, but I mean, somehow you have to set it anyways, and then leave it right there. It's easier if you have a river or something of natural boundary. So Arizona, the line separating the territories of New Mexico and Arizona was established as the 32nd degrees of latitude west of Washington Meridian by a congressional act February 24th, 1863, signed by President Abraham Lincoln. Utah. So in 1901, Howard B. Carpenter established a territorial line between Arizona and Utah in 1901, running from west to east, ending the survey at the Four Corners Monument. And last is Colorado, over there. And someone walking between the states for like state income tax, for example. Arizona has one. And I would have to look up for the others. New Mexico has one too. Nevada, for example, does not. I only pay federal taxes there. And usually the sales tax are higher. So Colorado was created in 1861 for its gold, silver, and other mineral resources. It was designated as 32nd degrees of latitude west of the Washington Meridian. In 1876, it became a state. So there you have it. Last view. And then we keep going to Monument Valley. And probably camp there and pay for it, which I don't do often, to stay overnight. So I have some time to work. Beautiful site. Hope you like this. I did, for sure. And let's go hit the road.